What is fragmentation? So this is another type of asexual reproduction that we've been hearing about throughout the week. So our article here is talking about fragmentation, and this is one type that is very similar to regeneration. We did watch a video on that, but there is a clear difference. Unlike regeneration, the parent organism can be divided into many pieces, and each piece will develop into a complete individual. A lot of times you'll see an example when they talk about fragmentation of a starfish, so they'll lose part of it, and then it will become a completely new individual. So a great example of fragmentation that they're going to talk about today can be seen in the spirogyra. So spirogyra is a green algae that floats freely on freshwater ponds. Under a microscope, it can be seen as a rectangular cell with a nucleus in the vacuole located in the center. So this is when it comes to plant cells. The rectangular cells are joined together in long strands called filaments, which we'll learn more about filaments when we talk about flowering reproduction. When a filament is divided into many pieces, each piece will grow into individual filaments. So here is a picture illustration of a spirogyra cell and its filament. So here we see that inside of the cell, the nucleus is kind of like the boss, the vacuole on the outside area here, and then we have our cell wall, right? So this is on the outside, keeping everything in. So the filament is this long section here, as you can see. The example of flatworm in the previous page is uniquely true for fragmentation. If the flatworm is divided into two, each half will grow to become individual flatworms. So in the starfish, as I mentioned a minute ago, a new individual can develop when a parent starfish is cut into two. Some worms and fungi are examples of such organisms. So in our picture, when we discussed fragmentation, we saw here our example of our starfish breaking up into various pieces